In my opinion, there's nothing more valuable than a human life. This is for hauling valuables, cash or jewelry, gold for the Federal Reserve Bank. But at the end of the day, you're also protecting people who protect the assets. So physically, you're protecting them because there's ballistic materials on the vehicle that have ballistic protection. So if someone shoots at the vehicle, they're not gonna penetrate the vehicle. So as long as a person is inside the vehicle, they should be safe. I'm sorry, you're not allowed to film inside the vehicles for proprietary reasons for each of our individual customers. This is our 20th year in business. Loomis was our first customer. Loomis is at the top of the game, and that's why they're jumping into electric vehicles first. They're always forward-thinking in that way. The chassis that we build on has to be reliable, and we know that they're going to last in the same manner that the body we're building will. So Xos, it's been a great working relationship to spend the time with them on these electric vehicles. It really has.